Welcome to the Pine Mountain Railway. Today we're going to be changing out the furnace blower motor in the fifth wheel. It started making a noise, as you can hear in the background, and the bearings are going, so it needs to be changed. I went to the nearest RV parts supply place and picked up a new motor. It comes with the mounting bracket and everything you need to install it. On my trailer, you access the furnace from the side, and the first thing you have to do is pull out the exhaust pipe. There are a couple of wires you have to take out to get at the side of the motor cover. There is an upper and a lower fan on the motor. The hardest part of this job is taking out the little grub screw to release the lower fan from the motor shaft. Once you've got the bottom fan free, you can take the top fan and the motor out and take it to your workbench. At the workbench, you can change the motor out and put the new motor in the top fan and start putting it all back together again. When you're putting it all back together, you have to adjust the motor clamps so that all the fans are free of touching any of the sides of the housings. If you've done everything correctly, the furnace will fire up and the fan will come on and be very quiet. Thank you for watching, and check back again in the future for more exciting videos to come.